Hey guys, my name's Natasha and let's do my 10-minute wavy hair routine. So I actually curled my hair the other day and this is about a day old. So a lot of the curls have fallen out and usually I do just keep it like this for the rest of the week. But for the sake of the video, I will show you how I actually get them done. So what you're first gonna do is you're gonna section your hair. I like to just do it in half. And then you just get a clip and pin it. And then the bottom two, whatever you have left over, you just split it in half. And this is my T3 micro curler. It's the automatic curler. If you have a regular one, that should work too. What I do is put at the bottom, and since it's automatic, all you have to do is click at the bottom and it automatically goes up. I also have it at the highest heat setting. So I kind of just keep it on for a few seconds, let it go, and then while it's still tight, go ahead and curl it again. And then you just let it go. You don't want to unravel this. Same thing on the other side. Just want to clamp it, go down, and then curl upwards. Hold it for a few seconds and let go. Like I said, don't unravel it. So put it at the back until you're done with your whole head. Then I usually do this really quickly, but I like to get big chunks. So I don't like to spend a lot of time on my hair. And then you just take another chunk. Same thing. Sometimes if it's frizzy, I like to kind of go downwards and straighten it out a little bit. And go up, hold it. The biggest thing is that you still want it in a curl as you're letting go. So let me show you again. Go down. So the biggest takeaway is that I'm not letting go of the curler right away. I'm just unraveling it. And then go up again. All right, I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair and then I'll show you how it looks right afterwards. All right, so we're just about at our last section. Just gonna do this last one in the back. Right. And then these are my front pieces. I still keep mine at a slight side part. So you still want to do it the same way. And then any pieces like this, you just go back in and do it. Just don't hold it too long, just because it's a smaller strand. And if it falls out like that, just get it, recurl it really quick, and then pull it up again. The point of this look is that you don't want it to be super perfect. It's gonna be a little bit messy. All right, So this is what my hair looks like. Super duper tight curls. My hair tends to get flat, so I still tease my hair. What I do is I just take the top sections, tease it, and then hairspray it. And then you let it sit on the opposite end. Same thing. I work from the top to the bottom. Tease it. Spray it. Let it sit. I'm gonna let that sit and dry for a second. And then once it's slightly dry, just drop it. You can see the difference already. Same thing on this side. And then the crown of your head. And you're only doing the roots here. Drop it this way, let it sit for a second. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna hairspray your whole head. And you're gonna take your brush and you're just gonna gently brush it out. Still want the curl to hold a little bit, so you don't be too harsh. Then this is my favorite oil ever. It's the K18 Repair Oil. I'm almost out of it, but you just put a tiny bit in your hand. Don't put it on your roots, just put it in your hand and swipe it through. I also like to flip my hair, pop it out a little bit, and go up. And then any pieces that didn't hold, just go back in real quick and touch it up before you leave.